Okay, so communication skills have been the key to success for securing employment. Although students have mastery in their specific domain, their communication skills are not satisfactory. This led to the scenario where supply of demand mismatch. While there are job requirements, but candidates are not meeting the requirement due to lack of communication skill. This idea, after finding out about all this, I thought of doing some research to find out that how much is the impact of their academic skill is affecting their future job needs, especially with a focus on communication skills of these students from polytechnic colleges in India. So my topic of research is analyzing the efficacy of English language courses with a focus on communication skill among polytechnic students. The aim of the study is to analyze the efficacy of English language courses among undergraduate polytechnic students with a focus on learning of communication English, which was introduced in 2010 in the current English syllabus, which was not there before, but now it is included. It also investigates the challenges students face in completing the communicative English syllabus. For this, we have two research questions. The first one, is there any significant relationship between English language proficiency and academic achievement of government polytechnic students? Does English language proficiency have a significant impact on students' academic achievement in English medium core subjects of government polytechnic college students? The significance of the study. The study provides an insight into the root cause of falling standards of technical education in polytechnic institutions, which we recently see the scenario that how the education is being affected in different colleges, how it is different from engineering to nursing to polytechnic, what are the levels of their English and how it is affecting them in their future job needs. Finding from the study, after completing this research study, the finding from this study will help to raise the proficiency level of government polytechnic students in English language as a way of addressing their poor academic achievements. Even this will help them, the curriculum planners and the stakeholders to educational would also be as sensitive about the indispensable position of English language in overall knowledge acquisition process of formal education. For this study, the research design used was a combined X-Pro factor correlation design were adopted in the study. Total of 200 students were sampled from all 8 semesters from government polytechnic colleges. We use 3 research instruments. The first one is English Language Proficiency Test, ELPT, a standardized TOEFL paper test, and some interviews were conducted to test the participants' speaking skill. In the procedure, data was analyzed using Pearson product moment correlation analysis to examine the degree of relationship between English language proficiency and academic achievement. Linear regression analysis was done to determine the impact of English language proficiency on students' overall academic achievement at 0.5 level. Interesting results were revealed after the study that mean performance is 58.2, which is above average. There is a significant positive relationship between the proficiency in English language and the student's academic performance. Positive relationship implies that more proficient students are in English, the better academic performance of such students will be. Dependent variable academic performance. Through this, we reveals that the coefficient of determination is equal to 4.408, which gives the proportion of variance to be 40.8%. This implies that 40.8% of the total changes in the students' academic performance is determined by the level of students' proficiency in English language. The finding shows that learning skill among students are at a higher level, but communication skill needs to be restructured. Learning skill, a generic skill, give added value to students at polytechnic or higher institution and will give them an advantage so that they can secure a place in the job markets. This study in the English language proficiency is a good indicator and predictor of academic achievement of polytechnic students in India. Therefore, it is recommended that goals of educating Indian technical learners to be proficient in English should be rigorously pursued, since English language proficiency ultimately determines their overall academic success. This was about my research paper, which I did it on especially keeping in mind the polytechnic students, because they usually, the data was collected from UP polytechnic colleges. There, most of the students, those who come from the rural parts or rural places, where their communication English is not that well developed, I should say. They get their knowledge, they get their skills, technical skills are acquired according to the syllabus, whatever plan or whatever education for their semesters they get, but they lag behind communication skill. And when they go to their job markets, this is the biggest hindrance in their jobs, that they fulfill the requirement of the job, but they couldn't fulfill the requirement of communication with the client, which lags behind in getting the jobs for these students. So I think this study could it presents a kind of an indicator and a predictor that yes, the future course or future designing of the course could be more better, emphasizing especially on communicative English of these polytechnic students. Yeah.
Thank you very much, and we would like to congratulate you for your such a wonderful presentation with the big hand from our side. We have seen that Dr. Uzma Hassan made a wonderful presentation in SOAS 2021. Thank you very much.